Alright, so next up, before we roll it out of the garage, we gotta vacuum all the big stuff, leaves and debris out of the engine bay, out of the cowl area. Just make it a little bit cleaner of a job when I get to power washing it. Also, we're gonna have to fire up that shitty little compressor I have and air up the right front tire. So let's do that now. Alright, so I don't know really what made me think of it, but I decided to take the vacuum bleeder and suck everything out of the reservoir just in case during power washing this old reservoir decides to explode. So I'm gonna do that before we push it out into the driveway and get this thing power washed. This brake fluid is pretty much black, which I guess you kind of expect that for a car that's been sitting for 10 years.
The same thing. I was like, is it gonna stop?
So I just had her push me out with no driver's seat. I sat on the back seat and I just hoped that e-brake was gonna hold. It's almost gone. Now we're gonna have to mix chemicals. See how that turns out. Let that soak in, break up that grease and grime and all that shit for probably about 10-15 minutes while I hook up the water source to the power washer and then blast it all off.
Alright guys, well, that's going to be it for today. Made pretty good progress, stayed busy. Got all the wiring stuff pulled into the car or pulled out of the bay. Got the rest of the heater box on the cowl side pulled out. Got the car washed, power washed the engine bay, broke a lot of that grime off there. Used a spray 9 degreaser and a gunk degreaser, engine degreaser. Used them before on my Mark IV. They worked well. I think they worked well in this case. They didn't break completely everything off. I am going to have to go back and spot touch up a few spots. But other than that, pretty happy with how it came out. Car looks pretty good for not being washed in 9 or 10 years. So now just ready to get cracking, get it up on jack stands and rip the wheels off, suspension, just get working on it. So thanks for watching today. Be sure to like the video, comment, let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching.